Maharashtra has been reporting the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country since the beginning of the pandemic, but cases had begun to come down since the second wave hit in April. However, with the emergence of the new Delta Plus variant and the spike in cases, the state may have to review its 5-level unlock plan.
Mumbai has plans to open up gradually, but those plans may have to be put on hold because Maharashtra reported a spike in the number of COVID cases on Wednesday. The evening traffic you see behind me will give you an idea of the volumes the city has to deal with even when restrictions are in place, and how difficult containment can be when cases begin to spread. And the emergence of a new variant is adding to those worries. This is Dadar in Mumbai, one of the most crowded areas, and even with restrictions in place, crowds are normal. But this is a worry because for the first time, Maharashtra's average daily cases have seen an uptick since end April, when the second wave cases started declining. The average daily cases had touched a low of 8,847 on Tuesday, but stayed above the 8,900 mark for the last 2 days. As a result, Maharashtra may delay its unlocking plan, especially in Mumbai, where local trains, the city's lifeline, malls and restaurants are still closed. And the Delta Plus variant is the big new worry, which the state cabinet discussed on Wednesday. At 21, Maharashtra has the highest number of Delta Plus variant cases in India.
वैक्सीनेशन जब तक 70-80% लोगों को नहीं हो जाएगा, रिस्क नहीं लिया जा सकता। आज भी जिस तरह से ओपन अप किया गया है, जो लेवल बनाए गए हैं, लेवल में भले ही हम लोग नीचे हों, फिर कुछ एडिशनल रिस्ट्रिक्शन रखा गया, जिसकी वजह ही ये है कि यहाँ पे फ्लोटिंग पॉपुलेशन बड़े पैमाने पे आता है।
So what should one look out for this variant or any other symptom associated? Basically, symptomology is not going to change. Only thing to look out for is to present early.
Mumbai saw a jump in the test positivity rate as well, with 863 new cases on Wednesday. While there were more tests conducted, the city is still holding back when it comes to relaxing restrictions. The centre has asked Maharashtra to be alert when it comes to the Delta Plus variant. The Delta variant had caused havoc during the second wave, and the Delta Plus variant is a further mutation which could be even more virulent, transmissible or both. The devastating impact of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic is perhaps an indicator of what the third wave could bring, especially if the virus is more virulent and more transmissible because of mutation. In such a situation, the government believes a cautious approach would be the best way forward, which is why it's in favor of keeping restrictions in place just for a while longer. And this has been discussed in the cabinet as well, especially when there's a debate between life and livelihood. The cautious approach, the government believes, could perhaps reduce the impact of the predicted third wave. In Mumbai, with camera person Sanjay Mandal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.